Hey everyone, I am Shafayat from Unlocktherapy. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to unlock your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, or 15 Pro Max from any carrier, quick and easy. Let's dive right in. Alright, first things first, you need to contact your carrier. But hold up, before you do that, make sure your iPhone is eligible for unlocking. Most carriers have a few requirements, like making sure your phone is fully paid off or has been active on your account for a certain period. Once you've checked that, give customer service a call. They'll ask for details like your IMEI number, which you can find in Settings, General, About. Pretty simple, right? Now, after you've submitted your request, it's time to wait for approval. Depending on your carrier, this might take anywhere from a few hours to a few days. Once your request is approved, you'll get a notification confirming that your iPhone is officially unlocked. And yes, it feels pretty good to get that confirmation. Next up, it's time to unlock that phone. Once you've got the go-ahead, all you need to do is insert a SIM card from a different carrier. Your iPhone should either prompt you to enter an unlock code or, in most cases, just unlock automatically. If things aren't quite that simple, you might need to connect your iPhone to a computer, open up iTunes on Windows or Finder on a Mac, and follow any prompts to complete the unlock process. It's really straightforward. And for those of you on eSIM, you might have to reach out to your carrier for some extra steps to get that unlocked as well. Oh, and a quick caution, while there are some third-party unlock services out there, be careful. Not all of them are trustworthy, so it's better to stick with your carrier for a legit unlock. That's it, folks. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another update. For more information, you can visit our website, unlocktherapy.net. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll do my best to help you out. Stay unlocked, stay free. Peace.